turn the light off.
No, I'm sturdy like a milli rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knockers. Money in my pocket. Don't call me a money pocket. Engine get your rocket. It sound like a thunder rocket, yeah.
Yo guys, we just made it. Welcome back to a new episode of exploring. Look at the size of that. Look, security booth. Oh shit. We can't even. Fuck, we're fucked. Yeah, he's gonna see us. There's no way around it. Because then if you go that way. Yeah, but we can't loop it right in front of it. There's a security booth just there. Gotta make sure they don't see us. There's a fucking fence there as well, bro. Fuck it, we're in, we just go. Shh, shh, there's a security booth one by one. Shh. Where's the security? Shh. Just rough. Wait, we can't go that way. It's fenced off. We have to go that way. Yeah, I'm not doing that.
Hey, make sure you document this because I want to see this.
Yeah, it's recording, you can't really see nothing. Alright guys, on the back, away from the security guard. Can't even see nothing, but it's crazy. It's crazy. The guy climbed like 2-3 sets of these railings to get inside.
Yeah, but through which window?
Yeah. The higher.
I can.
Oh shit, shh. Bruv, that's the front of the building where the security guard is.
What building are you trying to get into? That one?
Above us, right now. No, I'm not climbing that. Guys, that is probably the only way in, and I am not doing that. Yeah, we ain't getting far. Yeah, nah, bro. There's a slide there. Yeah. Hey, windows.
Lights. The window's right there. Yeah, don't shine your light to the window. You can turn that light off.
That kind of looks cool, look.
Yeah. Can't care. No, I just want to sort this fucking camera. Let me get through. Windows, yeah. The windows right there. Screw things right there.
Point it down. Do it like that.
Yes.
Let's go right to the top.
Watch it. The floors are actually.
Yeah.
Something creeps.
Yeah. Bro, like that floor's there. Holes right there.
This one, I know. At least almost 100.
That's probably been here for a couple 100 years. Like the hospital alone was 100 years old.
It's like, can you imagine the ones that are on the database in the 1980s?
Oh shit. The stairs would be the most stable if they're metal.
We're gonna have to climb. But someone's done this.
Oh shit. We're just next to the roof. Be careful. Be careful, don't step on that. Let's just go straight up. Let's not miss our shot. Oh shit, nah. Nah. Shit.
Andy, what are you doing there, buddy? Alright, go back to sleep.
Yeah, nah, don't. You can't even get across up there.
Like in Muswell, bro.
Oh, I wouldn't risk it.
I mean, this thing is alright. This is bricks. This is just going straight into that beat. I'm gonna do it.
Be careful.
Or let's do the more sensible thing.
Oh, fuck that. Oh. Right, my light just turned off. Alright guys, this is probably the craziest thing we've done so far. Oh no.
You can easily get up there. This is sturdy as shit.
Alright, it's probably the craziest spot we've been to so far. It's crazy. We got to the top, but there's one more bit to climb up and you get onto the roof, but it's sturdy, don't worry.
Huh?
It's sturdy, don't worry. Yeah, sweet. Yeah, the boys are going to the top. Hey, pass them the camera. Cool.
Alright. Don't drop. If we fall from here, we're falling straight through. Yeah, we'll die, but it's alright. At least we die together. Again.
Fuck that. Yeah, I wouldn't. Rick, be careful. Hey, move up. Move up. So I can sit down. Jesus.
Hey, Tafik, come back. Bro, just put it on the fucking board. Oh my god. Don't go.
Bro, it's moving.
Don't go in.
Don't go any higher. It's moving. The whole thing moved.
Rick, you're dead.
Rick, the whole thing moved. You know, if you drop, you fuck up our exit as well.
Swipe. Just picked up some bands, come again. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Yeah, I'm the running man, rapping rubber bands.